Welcome to an introduction to angles. So first we're going to talk about how an angle is even formed. So we begin with a ray. So you can look at this with the point and then the line coming out from it, and the arrow means that it just keeps going and going and going. So this line keeps going. This is a ray. So you can think of this as a sun, here where our point is, and that this is a ray of sunlight coming from it. Okay? That's a ray. When we take that ray, using our same point, and we have another ray coming from it, where they have the point the same, we now have an angle. Okay? This point that is in common with both rays is called a vertex. So this is the vertex. These are our lines of our angles, the sides, whatever you want to say, that make up the rays. The whole thing is an angle. Now, we have a couple different kinds of angles. Some of these you may already know. So we have an acute angle, which measures less than 90 degrees. Not 90 degrees, but less than 90 degrees. So it could look like this, so a little bit more than 0, because right where they would be together would be 0. So just a little bit above it, all the way to almost straight up and down. Okay? These are both examples of acute angles. We have right angles. These measure exactly 90 degrees. So it's going to be one ray coming straight up and down, one ray going perfectly horizontal. Now this can be turned so that they're not exactly horizontal and vertical, but they will be in this shape. To show you that this forms a right angle, we put a little corner in here. Anytime you see this, that means that this angle is a right angle. Third kind is a obtuse angle. These measure more than 90 degrees, so it's just a tad over this one, all the way to just before 180 degrees. So this is an obtuse angle. And here's another obtuse angle. So these are our big angles. Okay? So we have acute, right, and obtuse. So we have acute little angle. We have our right angles that make our corners, and then our obtuse angles. But we have one other kind of angle. It is called a straight angle. These are the ones that measure exactly 180 degrees. So the obtuse angle goes all the way up to 179.99999. Okay? As soon as you get to exactly 180, it becomes a straight angle. So it would look like this. One way to remember a straight angle is that it looks like a straight line. Since you have finished this video, I need you to move to the supplementary and complementary angles video.